Alright, so on this Evinrude 65, we got it running, but problem is that whoever adjusted the shift cable, once I got the throttle cable where it was supposed to be, and it was running good, power up, you had gas, somebody had adjusted the shift cable all the way where there was no adjustment, so then it like got locked up in the remote, which I got up there. So let me take this cap off. I think he just did it like this, but can't do it with two hands. So if you look at that guy, see it's completely out. So since it was locked up on the lake and it was cold that day, woo, is it cold. I need to bring this way back. And right now we're not in, I think we're in forward gear. By the way, here's the prop shaft, and this thing, yeah, see, it's in neutral now. But what I was going to say was, he dropped the whole prop and everything, so it didn't seem like it was loose or anything. I mean, the prop was still, it's got a little, not much play, it's good, but the prop, I don't think he had the thrust washer on, or maybe it looks like he did, but anyway, it sheared the shear pin, the bolt backed off, and he lost the whole prop in the leg. But that must have been after we were locked in the remote up there, and so I got it in neutral up there, and see how it's, I don't know, see, like, yeah, that's neutral. See, I don't know, I have to look at this, but there is an adjustment up here on the remote. It's just a barrel. Man, is it cold holding this camera. The next time somebody watches this video is going to be in the middle of the summer. But yeah, here's the remote. Okay. There's the wide shot of it. And then, so this is our throttle cable. And right now I've got, you can see it underneath there. There's that barrel. If I can move it out of the way enough to see, I'm wondering if this thing right here is just kind of in the way. You know what it's for. It's a little clip. Right here, this guy, I'm just wondering if we, see, if I back this up, then it, you know, it would bring it forward. I mean, that's neutral there, so I would think it's got to go, yeah, this is, usually you don't have this right here. It's hard to see in there. And it seems like it's about right. Good to go back in its hole. Yeah, I don't know if I can get in there or not. Oh, by the way, to get this plate off is really easy. Actually, there's 3 screws, and this just pops off. And then they got bolt, so one here, and then one here, and then there's one down here, which is kind of, you can't see. See, it's right down there, and then that side panel pops off. So, and this would be kind of the trick, is like right here. Sorry for the crazy camera angles. So right here is that plate. So you know it's gonna go on like this. So that this barrel right here is gonna go inside there. I'm gonna have to hose them off pretty good, I think. It's got some oil grease. Oh, I see what's got this in the way. See, it goes in there. I had to freaking this hold it back. It's always the little things. So you see how it goes in there? It seems like if I... But see, here's the thing, is that and that feels pretty good there, but then well, anyway, so yeah, the 3 bolts come off, and then they got these bolts on the back, right? And there should be 4 of them, and that mounts to your side. So that's how those work. Yeah, these are all really gunked up, man. So I'm gonna hose them down with some WD-40 and cleaner and stuff, so you can't free them up some. And then just gotta, I loosened the throttle. This kind of loosens and tightens this. See it? Loosens and tightens it. Right now I just got it real loose. So back on the engine, I'm just gonna have to bounce back and forth, I think, and just try to find it where it's supposed to be. Because I think when somebody installed it, they just installed it incorrectly. See, I backed it off some, and that's neutral, so maybe just that was just enough. And then this one I adjusted so it seemed like it was right. See, now that, so now I'll put my little plate on here, and then I'm gonna go up there and see if it locks up again. Alright, check this and make sure we're still, yeah, we're still in neutral. So, but this was all the way up here, so it's probably a good 1/4 inch. It might It might fix it. I don't know until I try it. So, anyway, I'll try to do some more video on what I did and stuff to make it run. Well, the throttle cable ended up being an easy fix. So, what I did was where it was in a box, I put it back where it was because it looked good. And then on the shift cable, you know, I moved it out about 1/4 of an inch, and it's shifting good now. So we'll see whenever I get, you know, this thing fired back up. Gotta get a prop, and I got the prop, but I'm waiting on the hub. Shout out to Performance Propeller here in Nashville. They're great. They're awesome. I mean, they've seen the gamut, especially with the lakes we have around here. We got a lot of rock, so they see a lot of propellers. Anyway, both our lakes, I mean, they're just riddled with rocks, and Percy Priest is really dangerous because if you don't know where you're going, I mean, water's down right now. You can see some of it, but even the channel markers are off, so you got to be careful out there. So be careful out there boating. You don't want to hit nothing, tear something up.